Click on the link below to get price. The BaseAire AirWerx90X Energy Star Dehumidifier is a powerhouse designed specifically for challenging environments like crawl spaces and basements, and it delivers on its promises with outstanding performance. With a staggering capacity to remove up to 198 pints of moisture per day, this dehumidifier is particularly suited for commercial applications or large residential areas prone to high humidity. One of the standout features of the AirWerx90X is its Energy Star certification, which ensures efficient energy consumption. In an age where energy efficiency is paramount, this unit minimizes operational costs while effectively managing moisture levels. The integrated humidity control settings allow users to set their desired humidity levels, ensuring optimal comfort and protection against mold growth. The build quality of the AirWerx90X is impressive and designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use. Its robust construction ensures durability, making it a long-term investment for those needing reliable dehumidification. Additionally, the unit operates quietly, which is a significant advantage for those using it in residential settings where noise can be a concern. Installation is relatively straightforward, thanks to its user-friendly design. The unit comes with a built-in pump that facilitates continuous drainage, eliminating the hassle of manual water removal. This feature is particularly beneficial for crawl spaces, where accessing the dehumidifier for maintenance can be challenging. The digital control panel is intuitive, featuring easy-to-read indicators that provide real-time feedback on humidity levels and operational settings. Furthermore, the AirWerx90X is equipped with a filter that is easily accessible and washable, promoting better air quality and reducing maintenance efforts. In conclusion, the BaseAire AirWerx90X Energy Star Dehumidifier is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to tackle excessive moisture in basements or crawl spaces. Its powerful performance, energy-efficient operation, and thoughtful features make it a worthwhile investment for protecting your property from the damaging effects of humidity.